Hello everyone, welcome back my friends. Today we are testing out and showing you guys an LED hat. So inside here is an LED light. Now this is washable, so you can pull this light out just like this. It is rechargeable right here. They supply you with the USB charger, so this gets plugged into a USB port and it will charge your light. So let's show you how bright the light is. You have 1 mode, 2 mode, 3, and off. 1, 2, 3, off. To put it back in, you just put it in sideways, and from the behind, you can reposition it better inside the light. There is an instruction manual as well. So it's your standard hat. Adjustable hat. Let's go ahead and put it on and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like. Press the center button. Let's go ahead and turn off some lights here. So as you guys can see, different brightness modes. So there is a little flaw, and that is this hat wasn't designed as good as it should have been, no matter how. So I've been playing with this for about 15 minutes trying to position it right, and you can get it to stick on your head, but if you're doing something, it's gonna bounce right off. I've tried to position this, I've tried to work on this, I've tried to, loosen this up, make it really loose or tight. The hat was just designed a little unstable. So if you guys make it too loose, it falls down your head. But if you make it too tight, it falls off your head. So you can't get it perfect. So let me show the flaw. The design flaw is in this area here. So they made this so tight and so the surface of this that the light pushes out from your head, which causes the sides to not stay against your head. Even if you would put this at the maximum tightness, no matter how you adjust this, it doesn't stay on if you would be moving around a lot. So with my good conscience, I honestly cannot recommend this product because the fact that it is a big flaw design. There's a design flaw. And this isn't the first time I've reviewed hat lights, but this is the first time I've come across this issue. It's nice, the hat's very nice, it's just a design flaw. This whole setup right in here is a design flaw that's causing the hat not to stay on. So I have tried every single section that I could with adjusting it. So every single hole I've tried, and I can get it to stay on like this. I can get it to stay, but as soon as I move my head close, it wants to fall down, no matter what I do. And if I would really move around, it just falls right off. And that is when you put it on with the light, you guys can see that it's pushing out. There's that bulge there. And the way the hat was designed, that bulge is pushing against your forehead. And when that pushes against your forehead, it will not get tight around here. Therefore, the hat design flaw, unless you're just keeping it on your head like this, and you're like slowly creeping around, which that's, you want a hat to stay on. Man, I hate when this happens, guys. I really do, because it's a nice looking hat. Everything about it's nice. The light's nice. Everything is nice, except it's just not practical. It doesn't stay on your head no matter what you do. I've given it to my wife to try as well. No. So I thought maybe my head's too big or something. Nope, it does not stay on your head. So that is definitely a disappointment, guys.